Financial engineering is the process of using financial products to facilitate risk transfer among financial market participants.
Number one, we are a top-notch engineering school, and our finance program is also very well rated. So what we have here is an amalgamation of these two well-respected programs. It's a course which kind of drops people at the deep end of the pool, and they figure it out. So it's a competitive course, and it's a fun course, as I've heard many people say.
From the student perspective, a program that's split across finance and engineering is, I think, the program that's best for the students. Over the last 30 years, the industry has created a demand for a set of students with this sort of interdisciplinary set of skills from a range of different fields.
So the practicum projects are basically industry-sponsored projects that are sought and brought into the program by Dr. Lane. And sometimes different projects require different skill sets. So this would be a group of about 4 or 5 students working on an industry-based problem.
So we try to prepare students for their careers by combining two things. First, there has to be sort of an underlying conceptual framework and set of techniques that students will need to use. But in addition, students need to have some exposure or practice to actually using that set of techniques.
We can deliver in a classroom setting the overarching theory, the overarching tools, the overarching techniques. But to custom fit those tools to specific instances, that can only be done by a practicum or a real-world practical experience that the student's going to go through.